Welcome to the Gilliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Slack account. Now to create a Slack account, just go to your browser and on Google, just search for Slack and search for it. Then just go to the first website, slack.com. Then from here, just click on sign in. Then just wait. You can put in your email here or sign in with your Google account or Apple account. I'm gonna put my email here. After that, just click on sign in with the same mail. Then just give it some time, prove it that you're not a robot. Then click on sign in with email again. You'll get a code sent to your email. Just put it here. And after you paste the code here, you'll be able to come back to Slack. And after putting your email and code, you'll be able to create your account on Slack. As you can see, I have created an account and they're showing me my similar email address workspaces. I can either join them or I can click on create another workspace if I want to create another workspace. And from here, I can just go ahead and click on create workspace. Then I can give here the company name, whatever, let's say tech, and hit on next. Then I can put my name here and upload a profile picture as well. Just click on next for now. Then I can add my coworker's email over here. Whoever is on the team with me will be added to this workspace. I can just skip this step for now. Click on skip step. And after that, there you go, the channel has been created. And basically that is how to create a channel and create an account on Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.